Hello, friends. Welcome to Learn Science and Chemistry podcast. Friends, in today's podcast, we are going to discuss about combustion. So, friends, combustion is the process of burning. It happens when a substance called fuel reacts with oxygen to release energy in the form of heat and light. The process gives us fire, warmness, and simply makes life easy. Combustion is essential in our daily lives. It powers cars, heat homes, and cook food. Friends, now the question is, how does combustion work? So, friends, combustion works with the help of three things: fuel, oxygen, and heat. Friends, this is the material that burns. Example of fuels are wood, coal, gasoline, and natural gas. Combustion needs oxygen, which comes from the air around us. A spark or flame start the process by providing enough heat to ignite the fuel. So, friend, in this way, fuel, oxygen, and heat all are needed to start the combustion, and they are part of a triangle. So, friend, when these three things combine, combustion occurs. For example, when you light a match, the wood fuel reacts with oxygen, producing heat, light, and smoke. Now, the question is, how many types of combustion? So, friends, combustion is generally classified into two categories: complete combustion and incomplete combustion. Complete combustion is, is a combustion process in which there is plenty of oxygen and it produces carbon dioxide and water and lot of energy. For example, burning natural gas in a stove. And now, incomplete combustion. This happens when there isn't enough oxygen. It produces carbon monoxide, soot, and less energy. For example, smoke from a poorly burning fire. Everyday example of combustion. Combustion is very necessary for life. There are plenty of examples of combustion from our everyday life, like candles, cars, bikes, trains, buses, gas stove, bonfire, fireworks, fireplaces, etc. Candles, the wax is the fuel that burns to produce light. In cars, combustion of gasoline powers engines, and fireplaces, wood burns to keep homes warm. Now, question is, why is combustion important? Combustion is crucial for many aspects of life, from energy production to transportation, cooking, warming homes, flying in sky, enjoying crackers on the festivals. Everything is possible due to combustion process. Energy production. Power plants burn fuel to generate electricity. Transportation. Combustion engines power cars, aeroplanes, and ships. Cooking. Gas stoves use combustion to cook food. Now, question is environmental impact of combustion and why these impacts are dangerous. While combustion is useful, it also has some downsides. Understanding these downsides of combustion process is necessary to sustainably enjoying life on earth. First, combustion produces air pollution. Burning fuels releases harmful gases like carbon dioxide which contribute to global warming. Health risks. Incomplete combustion produces carbon monoxide, a toxic gas, and leads to so many health issues. Deforestation. Cutting trees for fuel can harm ecosystem. Now, question is, how can we make combustion safer and cleaner? So, first way is use cleaner fuels. Switching to fuels like natural gas or biofuels reduces harmful emissions. Second, improve efficiency. Modern engines and stoves are designed to burn fuel more completely or efficiently. Third is adopt renewable energy. Solar, wind, hydroelectric power don't rely on combustion and are environment friendly. Now, some fun facts about combustion. A spark plug in a car engine creates a tiny spark to start combustion. Early men first learned to make fire around 1 million years ago. Firelighters study combustion to understand how fire spread. Firefighters study combustion to understand how fire spread. Space rockets use combustion to take off, fueled by liquid hydrogen. The sun doesn't burn like fire. It's powered by nuclear reaction, not combustion. French chemist Antoine Lavoisier proved in 1777 that oxygen is involved in combustion process. The blue flame in a gas stove indicates complete combustion. Diesel engines rely on combustion to ignite fuel. Com- Rely on compression to ignite fuel, unlike gasoline engines that use spark plugs. Volcanoes release combustible gases during eruptions. Charcoal burns more cleanly than wood because it contains less moisture. Dear friends, you can read so many fun facts about combustion from our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Thank you to listening this podcast. Link of our website on the combustion is provided in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast.